2024, the construction industry across Europe continues to offer a lot of opportunities, especially for non-managerial positions. This sector's growth is fueled by various factors, including infrastructural developments, renovations of historic buildings, and the increasing demand for sustainable and green construction projects. Today, we dive deep into the construction industry jobs across key European countries, focusing on non-managerial roles to determine the best opportunities for non-EU workers. Starting in the United Kingdom, the construction sector has seen a significant rebound post-Brexit, with a surge in both residential and commercial projects. According to the Construction Industry Training Board, CITB, the UK construction industry is expected to require an additional 217,000 new workers by 2024 to meet demand. Non-managerial roles, particularly skilled trades like carpenters, electricians, and bricklayers, are in high demand, with salaries ranging from £25,000 to £40,000 annually, depending on experience and specialization. Moving to Germany, the Bauwirtschaft construction industry remains a cornerstone of the national economy, driven by both public and private sector investments. The Federal Ministry of Interior, Building and Community reports a steady increase in construction projects, particularly in urban development and infrastructure. Skilled laborers in Germany can expect to earn between €30,000 and €45,000 annually. Germany's introduction of the Skilled Immigration Act has simplified the process for non-EU workers to enter the construction sector, making it an attractive destination for international talent. In Scandinavia, countries like Sweden and Norway are known for their high standards of living and strong labor rights. The construction industry in these countries is booming, thanks to a focus on sustainable building practices and smart. Salaries for construction workers in Sweden and Norway are among the highest in Europe, with average annual earnings of 360,000 Swedish kronas, approximately 35,000 euros, in Sweden, and 430,000 Norwegian kronas, approximately 42,000 in Norway, as reported by the respective national statistics offices. However, the cost of living in Scandinavia is also higher, which is an important consideration for potential job seekers. France's construction sector, particularly in regions like Paris and the French Riviera, continues to expand, with a significant number of projects related to residential buildings and infrastructure renovation. The French government's investment in sustainable urban development has created additional demand for construction workers. Salaries in France for non-managerial construction roles range from €25,000 to €35,000 annually. France has streamlined work permit processes for skilled workers, though the requirement for proficiency in the French language may pose a barrier for some non-EU workers. Poland has emerged as a hub for construction activity in Eastern Europe, driven by both domestic growth and international investment. The Polish construction industry is expected to grow by 3.5% in 2024, according to the Polish Association of Construction Industry Employers. Salaries for construction workers in Poland are competitive within the region, ranging from 60,000 Polish zlotys to 80,000 Polish zlotys annually, approximately 13,000 euros to 18,000 euros. Poland's relatively lower cost of living and the government's openness to non-EU workers make it an appealing option for those looking to enter the European construction industry. After analyzing the construction industry across these key European countries, Germany stands out as the best option for non-EU workers seeking non-managerial positions in 2024. The combination of competitive salaries, a strong demand for skilled trades, and the Skilled Immigration Act makes Germany an attractive destination. Additionally, Germany's central location in Europe provides workers with the opportunity to engage in a wide range of projects, from traditional construction to cutting-edge sustainable development. In conclusion, the construction industry in Europe offers diverse opportunities for non-EU workers in 2024, with each country presenting its unique advantages. Germany, however, with its robust economy, a wide range of projects, and favorable immigration policies for skilled workers, is the recommended destination for those seeking non-managerial positions in the construction sector. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive analysis of the construction industry jobs in Europe for 2024. Stay tuned to our channel for more insights into global employment trends and opportunities.